All right, so I'm gonna try my luck with the pressure washer on these carpets. Man, they are in bad shape. Look at that. Oh my God, what happened? Somebody die on this thing? I don't know. Let's give it our best shot, see what happens. This is an industrial cleaner. I got this from Lowe's. I think it was like $12. Don't give me the line, I don't remember, something like that. But anyway, we use this stuff at the boat shop and it works really good. You're supposed to dilute it, but I'm not going to. That looks rough. We're gonna go full strength. I don't recommend doing that on, you know, I mean, it could mess things up, but I think it's gonna make things better in this case because this is horrible. So we're just gonna hose this stuff down with cleaner, kind of let it soak in a little bit and start scrubbing. God, it's so thick, man. What is that? How disgusting. So hey, check it out, you guys. I finally got some merch, man. You guys get your orders in, dude. Check it out. Let's get weird. I'll just play, man. All right, so this is the final piece. This goes through the midsection of the car, man, and it is so disgusting. Been out here scrubbing on it for about, I don't know, 15 minutes now, I guess. Man, that is so bad, y'all. But you guys seen how the passenger side went. I mean, that worked out pretty good. That was definitely the dirtiest part of the whole car. And it cleaned up good, man, real good. It was, believe it or not, worse than this. So I don't know what that was. I mean, it looked like pure grease. It almost looked like somebody spilt a whole pot of cooking grease or something in there. I mean, I don't know, dude. It was crazy. Super thick. So hard to get off of there, but it came off. So I'm expecting this to be the same way. We're just going to kind of get all the cleaners work down into the surface with this brush. And then we'll come back. I'm probably going to let this soak for a few minutes. That's kind of what I've been doing. Oh, hair. Ugh, disgusting. But I'll probably let this soak for a few minutes after I kind of scrub in some of the cleaners. I've already sprayed this whole thing down with Zep. Now I'm just kind of agitating it. Get some of this stuff loosened up. Some of it's caked on there pretty thick. Just going to kind of go through and just kind of break all that up real good. Down in here, oh, look how gross that is. Yuck. I mean, you look at this thing and you just know it would never clean up. It's just not possible. And conventionally, you know, it probably wouldn't. Like if I tried to do this with my little Bissell carpet cleaner, it wouldn't stand a chance. That thing works really well under normal circumstances, but this was definitely not normal. This car was heading for a salvage yard for sure. Come back in and hit these really bad areas after it's soaked for a few minutes. You can see all that's finally coming out of there. All the stuff down in here where it's just super caked on. It's coming up. I don't think I've ever went through a full tank of gas detailing a car before, but here we go, tank number 2. So hey everybody, I think we're going to cut the video there. It's getting a little bit long. Appreciate all you guys watching. Don't miss the next video. So as you guys probably guessed it, I did talk myself into fixing those doors. Next video, I'll take you guys through some of that, let you guys see how that turned out. And I'll reveal the interior, the final outlook. I still got to get a few of my interior pieces. You remember all those little plastic pieces that were missing? I've yet to locate any of those. I've been out to the salvage yard, came up empty-handed. So anyway, we'll still got to get a few of those things, and then I will reveal how the interior finally turned out. Looks pretty good, especially if you consider how it looked before. It was in pretty bad shape, as most of y'all remember. Please like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I appreciate all of y'all watching as always. Don't forget my Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get on out of here. I appreciate everybody watching. I'll see you guys next time.